Hi everyone, my name is Carter from ENI Systems. Today we're going to walk through customer, and I'll guide you step by step so you can see exactly how this works in your all-in-one ERP solution. If you haven't watched the previous video, this is going to be very similar to the vendor section that we had explained. So as you can see from the screen, within our purchase pane, we have a vendor, but on the other side of the transaction, we do have a customer that we're going to sell our products to. So just note that these two are similarly linked in terms of functionality that we pursue. In ENI ERP, customers are the entities to whom you sell goods and services. Maintaining accurate customer records is essential for efficient sales operations, account receivable, and customer relationship management. So without further ado, I will explain to you how we add our customers within our system. So as I explained, you can simply go to our sales pane and you're going to see our customer section here. And here, I had to play with some different companies that I added to customers. But today I'm going to demonstrate how you can add the customers here as well. So simply click Add New. Again, this is the same across our adding new functions where it's item attributes. So you can either see the settings, the company settings. Last time when we did the vendors, I had set up as a specific company and we had to move to that section. So in this video, I'll set it as all companies so that we can be visible from all platforms of companies that we have in our system. So name and contact very self-explanatory, right? So let's say we're selling this product to a bigger department markets that are applicable for different companies that I have, like coffee or Adal, right? So let's say we're selling to Costco, right? So Costco is our client. So company name will be Costco. First name, last name, role. This is again very customizable depending on the companies. If the primary users are the executives, you want to connect this name to a representative that are matching with your users. If this is for a manufacturing department usage, then you want to write the details of your point of contact so that it's easier for you to manage between a customer. A special function that we have here is a sub-customer. So if you click it, you can either choose who their parent customer is so that it links the hierarchy between your clients as well. So for the simplicity, I'll turn off a sub-customer. And here, they have billing addresses and shipping addresses. I think for as customers, it's very natural for them to have different types of addresses, whether that's billing or shipping. It's basically you're purchasing a product from a line, and they'll probably ask you the same question of where your billing addresses is and where your shipping addresses is, right? So it's very intuitive for us to adopt that concept of purchasing goods from our customers. And below here, you will have different payment options. So for your customers, you'll have payment method of how they are paying you and the payment term. And here you have a credit hold and a taxable options where they can have a credit limit of paying you based on the credits that they have. Other details that we have, because this is sales related, you do have a sales representative that you can add. I do have my name here. So let's say I am going to be a sales rep for this customer. I can have my name alone here, but you can also add your sales representative's names here so that you have different sales team working on different clients that you have. A customer type, you can also create your own customer type. So if you click it, you can just, let's say this is a VIP client, right? So you can just add VIP, and then Costco is our VIP client. You can save it. So it will save it as your VIP, right? Department will be manufacturing, but you can add also your sales department, right? So in that way, you can have your department set up as well. The practice and demonstration that I do here, sometimes I add this on the dot because it also shows our flexibility of if you have not set this essential data ahead of time, you can always add them on the go, and this will be consistent throughout the ecosystem where you don't have to worry about adding them again and again. If you're adding customers, once you have set up those preset data, if you add this different customers at a later time, or a new customer, your set data is being captured and implemented in your next input per se. Again, because this is a more sales related activity, we do have business license and resale number and some internal notes and attachments as well. Let's say save and close. Now we have added Costco into our VIP customer type. In this way, when you're managing either shipment, sales order, invoice, or payment, you're able to manage through the customers that you created. So this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.